It's easier to stick to a goal the faster you see results. None of these ideas will make you a fortune, but they can grow your savings quickly. By following a plan and using some discipline, you can find yourself with more money at the end of the week or month, and in time, a year. Today, I'm going to show you 18 tips for saving money. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Cancel unnecessary subscription services and memberships. To be an effective saver, get rid of unnecessary subscriptions. Perhaps you signed up for a new streaming service for the free promotional period, but forgot to cancel it. Or maybe you have a gym membership you no longer use. Go through your monthly credit card or bank statements to look for recurring subscription charges. Once you've canceled any unnecessary services, put that money into your savings account. You don't need an account for a specific institution to get a helping hand. There are a number of fintech services like Trim and Truebill that are designed to help you find ways to save on subscriptions and other bills. Number 2, automate your savings with an app. If you often forget to put money into your savings account or struggle to know how much to sock away, consider using an app that does the work for you. There are plenty of apps that will automate your savings. Capital with a Q and Digit are two options. These automated savings apps are designed to move money on your behalf so that you're building a savings habit without even thinking about it. You won't earn the highest APY, or sometimes any, on your deposits with these apps. So once you've saved up a bundle, consider transferring the money into a high-yield savings account. Number 3, set up automatic payments for bills if you make steady salary. We're busy. It's all too easy to forget to pay all of your bills on time. One easy way to save money is to pay your bills when they're due, assuming you can afford to do so. Companies charge you late fees for overdue balances. While this might amount to just $5 here, $10 there, those fees quickly add up. Credit card late fees can be a lot more expensive. Setting up automatic payments for bills is a good option if you know you'll have a steady balance in your checking account. People with irregular income may want to hold off automating your bill payments and instead consider trying a service like Steady. The app will help you boost your income by connecting you to side hustles near your payday and bill due dates. Some banks let you set up a rule within your digital banking account. At Chase, digital bank customers can set up an auto savings rule so that when they say receive a $1,000 deposit, the bank will automatically move $100 of it into a savings account. Number 4, switch banks. Banks make a lot of money from account fees. In fact, big banks with at least $1 billion in assets made $11.68 billion in 2019 in overdraft and non-sufficient funds fees alone, according to an analysis of FDIC data by the Center of Responsible Lending. It's easy to avoid paying monthly fees, particularly at online banks. Nearly half, 47%, of checking accounts that don't earn interest are free, according to Bankrate's 2020 checking account and ATM fee study. Some banks will even give you a generous bonus just for opening an account. For your savings account, look for one that pays a competitive yield. Compare savings accounts to find one that fits your needs. Number 5, open a short-term certificate of deposit, CD. A 1-year CD could help you earn more interest than a savings account. Plus, a CD's annual percentage yield, APY, is usually fixed. As long as you keep the money in the CD through the duration of the term, you're guaranteed to earn a APY. One important caveat: avoid CDs if you think you might need the cash before the CD term ends, so you won't have to pay an early withdrawal penalty. Number 6, sign up for rewards and loyalty programs. Sign up for discount cards at grocery stores and drugstores in your area. Using these programs regularly can help you save money at checkout or possibly help you earn rewards towards future purchases. Number 7, buy with cash or set a control on your card. You can trick your brain into saving money every time you go to the store by using cash instead of a credit card to make a purchase. Whatever cash you have is your spending limit. It's too easy to lose sight of limits with a credit card. Number 8, stop paying for convenience. Paying for convenience can save time, but it can cost you money. Taking a little extra time out of your day to brew your own coffee or clean and repair things around the house can grow your bank account. Choose to reduce your expenses on things you care less about. It's perfectly fine to buy coffee from a coffee shop if that's important to you, but find something else to cut. Number 9, earn cash back on your purchases. Even when times are toughest, you'll still need to spend money on essentials. So, you might as well be rewarded with cash back. There are cash back credit cards that can help you collect cash back on your purchases. Some don't even have an annual fee. Your existing credit card might also have cash back offers at certain retailers, but you might need to opt in to redeem this reward. These offers may have an expiration date or other terms and conditions, so double check to ensure you're not caught off guard. Cashback apps might also be an option to consider before you start shopping for new credit cards. Number 10, reevaluate your recurring bills. Look at your cable, satellite, or streaming options to potentially save money. You might start off with a good deal from your cable or satellite provider, which lapses after an initial period. Finding a new deal after a couple of years could save you money. Number 11, look for coupons and sales. Planning ahead with coupons and checking around for sales can make a major difference. Looking through store flyers and online can help you get a good deal and save money. A website extension, such as Honey's browser add-on, looks out for coupon codes for you. Number 12, sell unwanted items. Sell items you don't need for an injection of cash fast. Look at your closet, attic, garage, or storage space to find the dress or ring or hiking boots you no longer wear. Then, write a post about the items and sell them online, say eBay or Nextdoor. You could also head to the local thrift store to sell items you no longer use. A garage sale might be an option for selling many items at once. Whatever approach you take, do your homework to avoid regrets. Make sure you know the value of an item before you sell it for less than it is worth. Number 13, reevaluate your housing costs. Housing costs such as rent or mortgage payments are some of the largest expenses in most budgets. Moving to a place with a lower rent could help you start saving immediately. Refinancing your mortgage can help you save money on monthly payments and in the long run, but make sure it makes sense for your situation. Number 14, shop around for insurance. Shopping around for insurance can help you save money. Sometimes you'll find a better deal as a new customer, or you can contact your existing insurer to ask them to lower your current rate if it has gone up. Bundling insurance products with the same insurance company can also help you save. Number 15, set up a split deposit. Saving automatically is a great way to save. Have some of your paycheck deposited right into a savings account, or your bank might be able to set recurring transfers from checking to savings. Number 16, downgrade an annual fee credit card. Sometimes an annual fee credit card can provide real benefits, but it might not make sense to pay this annual fee if the card discontinues these benefits, or if you aren't fully utilizing the benefits. Downgrading to a non-annual fee card might be a better fit for you if this is an option. Call your issuer to see if you're able to downgrade your current card to a no-fee card. Number 17, cook your own meals. Food can be a large expense in your budget. Prep for your upcoming meals and have a clear understanding of what you need from the grocery store. Make a list, look for coupons, and try not to buy anything that didn't make it on the list. Even without coupons, Buying food at a grocery store will be significantly less expensive than ordering carryout or eating at restaurants. Number 18, try a no-spend day. Not spending any money in a day or week can help you quickly save money. This can force you to think about every dollar you spend. After a no-spend day or days, you may also realize your spending habits have improved. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.